It was worse. Yeah.
Look at my outfit.
The background.
Huh?
How close should I be?
Good morning, everyone. It is Jake and I'm here, and again, there's no Jake, but I think you guys are gonna get to see him this weekend because I am going to the island for the weekend. You guys probably don't know, but Jake is back in BC for another year. He's actually stationed in, where is it? On the island. I live in Vancouver, so we don't really get to see each other during the weekdays, but we do get to see each other during the weekends. So yeah, this weekend it's my turn to go to the island. So I'll be going there. Oh my god, this train. Anyway, so I'll be going there for the weekend, and there's like an event happening on the base there. It's called Family Day, but I'm super excited because I think I get to go on a helicopter, and it's a military helicopter. I've been on a helicopter before, but I think this time it might be different because it's a military helicopter, although I don't really know the difference. But yeah, so I'll take you along with me. And of course it is raining like your typical Vancouver. Let's go. On the island. Actually, I was on the island since like a few hours ago, but look who's back again. It's Jake. Welcome back to Jake and M. Even though I haven't like posted in like forever. Guess what? Jake bought a new car. Woo. What kind of car did you get?
2016 Honda Civic. Oh yeah.
Yep. It was either this or the Golf.
Yeah, it's a good car too.
Do you regret your decision?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I don't know, time will tell.
That's true.
I think this is the more reliable choice.
True that. I mean, I have a Civic and it's been good to me and my fam so far, so no problems there. Yeah, so I got here at like what time did I get here at?
2:45.
Like 2:45 p.m. And then we were at the Honda dealership for a couple hours. Hour and a half, sorry. And now we're on our way home. So this car has like a lot of features that my car doesn't have, like a touch screen and a sunroof. I'll show you all the features later. What's that?
I don't know. It told me it wanted me to brake.
Oh, it has like those sensor thingies?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like that. I'm here at Jake's like workplace. It's a military base, and you can see like a huge ass helicopter behind me. So it's family day today, so family and friends just come here and have a barbecue. So now I'm gonna take a look inside the helicopter and see what it's like in there. So apparently, Prince William and Kate and Trudeau are here at the base. There's like a convoy of black cars over there. And there's like a bunch of people in the entrance waiting for them to come out. But I don't see them. I just want to see Trudeau. Look at the convoy of black cars all over there.